For me, it is when OpenAI released GPT-3, it was like, oh my God.
Suddenly, out of nowhere, after a bit of AI skepticism, we started to get people coming up to my desk repeatedly on like Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, being like, have you tried this?
So we were kind of sat there looking at all the different potential opportunities for us to add this to the product. Historically, we've been focusing on helping people coordinate the response, so building tools that help them run an incident effectively. But I think quite quickly, our ambition on what we wanted to do with this new technology just grew and grew really substantially.
We made like early, very quick progress. And we, as a team, were basically like, yeah, I think we've got something here, right? Like we had the embers of a product. We had a few examples of it going well, and we were like, cool, this feels great. And then it just got really hard.
I think there's this interesting journey that every company that invests in AI goes on, where you do a few good flashy demos at the beginning and it all looks great. And then the real work starts, which is, how do you make it do that every time for every type of question in every scenario?
How you test your AI and how you know whether it's working is just incredibly difficult.
You'd make a change one place, it would affect performance. Performance was suffering over here, but you didn't have an accurate measure of performance. You'd make a change here, it would break something over there.
And the only way that we felt that we could run the gamut of all of that was to totally change how we were doing this type of engineering and build a ton of tooling for us internally so that we can help track the performance of the system.
The big secret about our AI tooling for the past year, as well as developing a product, we've also been building an internal test and experimentation platform. Building that was about as hard as building the thing itself.
We have like best-in-class tooling for analyzing the AI work that we do.
And there's a load of techniques and tools that we've developed here that have really allowed us to hone in on how it's performing. And that's something that we've had to build a lot faster than other companies in the space because of how essential it is that we know that we're right.
And we just understand that the cost of getting this wrong is quite high. We have to be right, and we have to be right quickly.
The amount of internal tooling outclasses some entire products that I've seen elsewhere. So many people don't see that, but that's what it takes to make a product that is as good as it can be in the AI world.
At Insta.io, we are weaving AI into the fabric of the company, and that goes for both how we build and what we build.
It's simultaneously incredibly important that we know how to use AI to build a really great product, but also that we can make our lives incredibly efficient.
Culturally, we've all adopted building with AI quite heavily.
The scale of our AI usage internally is absolutely insane.
Pick any metric, dollars that I spend, tokens the team use. It's been pretty much doubling, if not month on month, then pretty close to it.
We're right at the head of all of the development.
Suddenly the team are reading research papers and sharing insights into the coolest stuff that's about to come out.
Anthropic will launch a new change to Claude Code, and by the end of the day, almost everyone is using it.
We've invested quite a lot in Claude MD files to make sure when you speak to Claude Code or a tool like it that it has all the context that you need it to have.
So nowadays we actually have a code base that is tuned so that it works really, really well with a tool like Claude Code.
Everyone is super keen on sharing what's worked for them, what's not worked for them.
We have this AI chat channel in Slack where we're sharing AI stuff.
And it's honestly one of the most busy channels in our Slack workspace.
Experimentation is hugely encouraged here.
Part of that means people need to feel ownership and freedom in what they're doing. If someone in the team is excited to build something, you need to give them the space to go and try it.
Our combination of embracing AI and being product-focused engineers actually lets us move a lot quicker than others.
Being AI first means that AI is everywhere. Every single bit of product we build, our default should be how does AI help here?
We're not using AI as an afterthought, and we're not dipping our toe in the water of building with AI. We're going fully in on it.
Although I'm really proud of everything we've built so far, I view that much more as a foundation, and the really exciting stuff is yet to come.
It's incredibly clear that AI can be absolutely transformative in the incident space, and in front of us is the opportunity to be the people that define what an amazing AI SRE is.
It's been almost a year since we broke ground towards building something that could resolve incidents automatically, and it's kind of wild to think that in just under 12 months we're nearly there. There's a ton of ways that we can leverage this for customers, and I'm super excited to go do exactly that.